students, welcome to Science Surfers. Today we are going to start our topic satellite. Satellite is a celestial body that revolves around a planet. We all know that moon is the natural satellite of the earth. We have studied about different planets having different numbers of moons. Earth has only one moon or satellite, whereas Jupiter has got 67 moons, and Mercury and the Venus do not have satellite at all. So, the number of moons revolving around a planet may vary. This satellite revolves around the planet due to the gravitational pull of the planet. The satellite have no light of their own. As we know, same for the moon. Moon has no light of its own, but it shines by reflecting the sunlight falling on its surface. A man-made spacecraft placed in the orbit around the Earth is called an artificial satellite. So, a man-made object which is made to revolve around the Earth is known as artificial satellite. These artificial satellites are much closer to the Earth than Moon. Artificial satellites are put into an orbit in such a manner their period of revolution around the Earth and the period of rotation of the Earth is same. That means artificial satellite को अर्थ के चारों तरफ एक रिवोल्यूशन कंप्लीट करने में 24 आवर्स का टाइम लगता है and the same time is there and the same time is taken by the earth to complete its one rotation. So therefore these satellites do not appear to change their position, or they appear to remain fixed with respect to particular point on the earth. Therefore, they are known as geostationary satellite. So, they are known as, so maximum satellites which are put into use are geostationary satellite. That means they appear to be fixed from the earth. Artificial satellite perform various tasks such as transmitting radio, television or internet programs. They help in the weather forecasting. We can know in advance about various type of floods, cyclones, etc. Then artificial satellite are used for military purposes. Like they can know about the movement of their enemy. They take the picture of their enemy fields, etc. And then artificial satellites are used to collect information about other celestial bodies. The first artificial satellite launched by the Earth is Aryabhatta. It was launched in 1975. Some other Indian satellites are Bhaskar, INSAT, IRS, Rohini, Kalpana, EduSat, etc. The artificial satellite help in the communication in 3 steps. The very first, it receives the signal from the ground station known as uplink, then amplify the signal and retransmit the signal back to the earth as downlink. The very first thing, the ground equipments, they transmit signal to the satellite. The satellite has got amplifiers which amplify the incoming signal and change their frequency. Then signals are transmitted back to the earth by the transmitters and the ground equipment receives the signal. So this is how the satellites are helping in telecommunication. These satellites stay in the same position relative to the surface of the earth. Hence, broadcasting station does not lose contact with the receiver.